Hello, my name is Krishna. I will tell you my holiday in Pangandaran when in New Year. Before that, I go to Pangandaran with my mother because maybe my brother must go again to Pontianak in Kalimantan for work again, and my father must escort my brother to Kalimantan or to airport maybe. I don't know because I go to Pangandaran and by the way I go to Pangandaran in 31 December or one day before New Year, and I go to Pangandaran in my mother company because my mother maybe invite me, my uncle and my aunt, and when I start the trip maybe in the bus, I must pray, maybe all people must pray to God, and when on the way I feel I must go to bedroom, and luckily I or the bus driver visit some meatball shop and after that I go to bedroom, and after in bedroom after I exit from the bedroom, maybe I eat some meatball because when I hungry, maybe I hungry on the way in the trip, I hungry, so I can eat some meatball to make me not hungry in the trip. And by the way I or the bus driver visit some rest area for the people twice, and in on the second I'm not go out from the bus because I think I enough in the first rest area, and after that when I arrive in Pangandaran I'm very happy because I'm not go to Pangandaran like 2 or 3 years because there are maybe COVID-19, or maybe it is like 4 years, and I'm very happy because I can visit the Pangandaran beach again. And after I arrive in Pangandaran, my mother, my uncle and my aunt go to some hotel. If I'm not mistaken, the hotel name is Sindra Rahayu 1 maybe, if I'm not mistaken. And in the hotel I take a rest, like maybe lie down in chair or pray Zuhur because I arrived in Pangandaran like 1 o'clock and I start the trip like in 5:30 morning, and the bus driver is very kind, and the bus driver drive the bus is very good, and I don't feel like I tired on the trip because maybe the bus driver is good to drive the bus. And in Asar or maybe in 3 o'clock, I must go to mosque, and the mosque is very good, and yeah, I really like the mosque. After I pray Asar, I go to the beach for playing in beach. But yeah, I feel it is not complete maybe because my brother and my father not go or not follow to have a holiday in Pangandaran. And yeah, I feel sad, but yeah, because it is my first time after 4 or 3 years not go to Pangandaran. I feel just, yeah, I like the holiday or the trip. And then after I go to the beach, I go to hotel again for maybe, yeah, in the afternoon. And after Maghrib or in 6 o'clock in afternoon or in the night, maybe in afternoon, I go to mosque again for pray. And in Isha too, I go to mosque again for pray Isha. And after I pray Isha, I go to some place because there are like an event in Pangandaran maybe. The event like maybe appreciation to some employee is good maybe or so on. And yeah, after that there are like some dance, and there are gift maybe for the employee is good and maybe not good, but there are like shake like in a bottle or in like in a topless. And there are some gift from the company like maybe dispenser, and there are some, or not some, but there are television is very big, and there are handphone and so many things again until uh 12 o'clock, or maybe not 12 but 11 a half o'clock in the night. And after that, me or I with my mother go to the beach because I want to watch like a firework. It's very big from like a hotel, Krishna Hotel. And yeah, it is same like my name. And the firework is very big and it is really fun. And it is my first time I see firework in Pangandaran, because in the past I go to Pangandaran in New Year. I always stay in home with my aunt and just sleep until the next day. And in the next day, I not go to the beach before I take or go to some place for get some food from the company, because every person or people is follow the holidays to Pangandaran given from the company like a ticket to get some food. And yeah, the food is very good and I really like the food. And after I get some food, I go to the beach in the morning, and in in the time I maybe like rent some surfing board in the beach. And yeah, when I rent the surfing board, I'm very happy because I can use the surfing board. But yeah, maybe I very happy in that time, and after that I played with the surfing board, and I go to my aunt because I go to the beach with my aunt, and my mother not go to the beach because maybe like have headache, if I'm not mistaken. Have headache because in the night when yesterday in the night my mother become like, yeah, I'm MC maybe in the event, and yeah, maybe my mother get some gift because my mother become MC, and when there are dance my mother not stop dance. So yeah, my mother given by the company person is longest dance maybe. And when in the beach I go to my aunt with my uncle for have a breakfast maybe because the food from the some place from the company not eaten before I maybe after playing in the beach, and after playing in the after I have a breakfast I go playing again, and it is very fun and I very happy. After that I go to some store for buy souvenir from Pangandaran. It is like fish, or not fish but salty fish. And after that I go to hotel, and yeah, maybe go to bedroom and lie down in my bed until yeah I go home again like in 1 o'clock in afternoon. Enough.